Common Core State Standards, Math, 7th grade, Ratios and Proportions, 3, Number Quantities, 1C, Percent and Estimations, 3. And I want to estimate 122% of 50. Well, if I want to estimate it, I don't want to go down to 100, although I could, 100%. I think we're closer if we go 120%. And of would mean multiplication, so 50, so times 50. Now, let's look at that. If we have a number line here, and I say this is 50, halfway would be 25, and this would be 0. So this would be 100%, this would be 50%, and this would be 0% here. But I want something more than 100%. So it's going to be somewhere over here, way over here, and it's going to be more than 50. So let's look at that here. So is it reasonable? We want an answer that's more than 50 because it's 120%. So if I take this and multiply it or divide it by 100, because percent means divide by 100, so I get 1.2 times 50. I'm going to use parentheses in this case. And so if I want to do that out, I'm going to go 50 times 1.2. I can get rid of this 0 on the 2 here. So it's 0, 10, and then the magic 0 would be 0, and then 5. And if I look at that, 0, 0, 6, and I have how many decimal places? I have 1 here. And so the estimate would be 122% would be more than 60, but 60 is a reasonable answer. It is certainly more than 50, and so an estimation would be about 60 using 120%. So box that in. Thank you.